In a world of ever-evolving risk and social environmental issues, it's very important to look at a provider that has a well-rounded program. That way, downstream, when your own auditors are looking at you and they look at your third parties, that you have a well-respected program to pass on to them to audit. The first thing you're going to want to look at in a program are the certifications. A well-rounded program has a common security framework for information security that you're looking at, such as ISO 27001 or SOC report, service operational controls, mainly because these frameworks set the standard for what the rest of the program looks like. In an information security program, looking at the overall security posture is very important. Not only because you have to read between the lines of the SOC report or the ISO certification report, get your eyes on the procedures, the policies, overviews of programs. That way the customer is getting everything they need and they can get their own positions fulfilled for their auditor's sake. Looking at the actual projects, programs, metrics that feed into continual improvement is very important because it shows something that's not contained in the reports. The reports are great, but they don't really show what you're doing on the ground level. So getting that insight into the continual improvement program is a simple question to ask and is usually very easily answered. Customers need assurance that not only do you have certifications reports, but are you going to be there for me when I need you? Our customers go through audits of their own where certification report's great, but they might want to talk to the provider. It's important to not only have a program in place, but having a single point of contact for questions, knowing that there's audit support when it's needed. The final thing to look at is what's important to your own organization. You want to look at a provider that's doing the same things, aligning the same values with the environment, with energy, with health and safety, all those kind of social issues as well, information security posture and data privacy and data management. Ensuring those same values are in place, it passes that same message down to your own customers in telling them that we're ensuring we're doing everything that we need to do and we're aligning ourselves with good people, and these good people are taking care of you.